Bottle feeding a baby can be a special time for bonding, nourishment, and comfort, but many parents worry about whether they are feeding correctly or giving the right amount. Luckily, here are some simple steps and tips to help you feed your baby safely and confidently. Before you start bottle feeding, make sure the bottle is clean and the nipple is the right size for your baby. Having a clean and ready bottle keeps feeding safe and comfortable for your baby. If you are using formula, carefully follow the instructions to mix the right amount of water and powder so your baby gets the proper nutrition. If you are using expressed breast milk, make sure it is stored safely and at the right temperature. Warm the milk or formula by placing the bottle in a bowl of warm water for a few minutes. Test the temperature by putting a few drops on the inside of your wrist. It should feel warm, not hot. Once the bottle is ready, choose a comfortable, quiet place. Hold your baby slightly upright and support their head and neck. Never feed them lying flat, as this can cause choking or ear problems. Hold the bottle at an angle so that the nipple is always full of milk. This helps prevent your baby from swallowing air. Gently place the nipple in your baby's mouth and allow them to suck at their own pace. It is important not to force the bottle into the baby's mouth or rush the feeding. Watch for signs of hunger, like rooting or fussiness, and signs of fullness, like turning away or slowing down. Paying attention to these cues helps your baby feed safely and comfortably. During feeding, keep your baby calm and focused on the bottle. Look at them, smile, and talk softly to make them feel safe. You can gently rock or sway your baby if they are restless, but avoid loud noises or distractions. Take short breaks if needed so your baby can rest and breathe, which helps prevent gas and spitting up. If your baby becomes fussy, gently burp them by holding them upright on your shoulder, or sitting them on your lap while patting their back. Burping during the feeding helps release trapped air and keeps your baby comfortable. After feeding, it is important to clean up properly. Wipe your baby's face and hands if any milk spilled, and gently clean their mouth. Wash and sterilize the bottle, nipple, and any other feeding tools with hot, soapy water to keep them safe and bacteria-free. Throw away any leftover formula that has been in the bottle for more than an hour. For expressed breast milk, follow storage instructions to keep it safe. Keeping track of feeding times, amounts, and how your baby reacts can help you notice patterns in their appetite and digestion, which is useful for doctor visits. By following these simple steps, bottle feeding can be safe, comfortable, and a special bonding time for both you and your baby.